Hey, Kelly.
Hey guys, Kelly here, and if you saw by the title, I am here with a Sephora haul, and I just wanted to show you guys really quick what I got. And I may put my other two items in this video, I'm not sure, but I had a I actually did this vlog style. If I find that footage by the time I edit this video, I will incorporate that. But hey guys, I tried to film with this camera, I forgot my card. SD card was upstairs and I just didn't feel like getting it. But I wanted to show y'all really quick what I got. I have a massive Sephora haul. And I went to Zara. So I think I'm gonna wear these today. So we're not doing a sit down video style. Actually no, those don't really match what I have on. But these are super cute, and you know, Zara has a big sale going on, so they like remind me of Chanel. So here we go. Now I place many different orders with Sephora instead of one just big order, because you get three free samples and a deluxe sample in every Sephora order if it's above $25. So I never just do one big order. So I have Victor and Rolf samples Flower Bomb. And sometimes they don't give me the samples I asked for. I guess they sell out of them. What does this say? Honey Potion, Pharmacy Hydration Mask, Dior Youth Capture. These are my deluxe samples. So I got the Bio Essence and serum, and I have the Lancome Hydrazine. Oh, this is the moisturizer. I have Origins Rose Clay Mask, J'adore perfume. I had two. I gave one to my mom. Perricone, okay, Cold Plasma Face Serum. What is this? Yeah, serum. Oh, moisturizing gel from Bio Essence. It's not focusing, but trust me, that's what it is. My receipt out so you don't see my personal information. And oh no, that's something what I ordered. So what do we have? Buxom. Oh, these are like lipstick samples. Concealer samples from Clinique. This is a Tarte blush sample. Bite Beauty lipstick samples, I'm sure, yep. Stila. Okay, so these are liquid eyeshadows. Sephora, what is this? Oh, lips, I don't know, some lipstick samples from Sephora. What is this? Tata. Yeah, Tata Harper. It's not focusing. Focus. Tata Harper Resurfacing Mask. Sunday Riley CEO Serum. And Tarte's liquid lipstick sample. I love lipstick samples. I just love them so much. Okay, so this is getting into what I actually bought. So I bought a Nars. Why is it not focusing? Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I think, okay, yeah, I bought it in custard. This one I have is way too dark. And I bought another concealer, and now I swatched this when I was in Sephora. I never purchase when I'm in Sephora because I don't get my samples. I want my samples. So this is the Dior Skin Forever Undercover, and this concealer was really good. What color did I get? Sand Sable. So there you can see the color. And let me show you the Nars one too, in custard. Yeah, good. Nice and light for my under eye. Good. There we go. Setting powder, because I'm all out, and I use the Mercier loose setting powder. I asked my friend Tiffany like what setting powder she recommends, because I just want to try something different, and she said this one, and she said like Sacha Buttercup or something, and then I just knew I wanted to order something from Sephora, so I was like, well, just buy what you've been buying. So this is it, and it's like the full size because I had the smaller size, and I am missing something, I think. No, everything might have came. Yeah, everything came. So I got this from Bergdorf. I try to buy from Bergdorf whenever possible because there's no shipping. I mean, there's no tax. So I got this mascara, and it is gold mascara by YSL, and they have like all different colors. So I want to get a green and the pink one as well. But it's $29, so I was not going to get them all. So this one is I'm the Fire. So this is pretty cool, I think. And then I bought the All Hours foundation. I tried it on in the store. I loved it, and I'm in the shade B Mocha, which is surprising. I would have thought I wouldn't have been so dark, but this was what I put on in the store, and it really did kind of match. So I just can't believe this is like my shade. I've never mocha anything. I'm gonna save this box because I can't imagine. And then I bought the primer to go with it, the All Hours primer, because I do actually need a primer. I had a primer sample I was using and about out, so I bought the All Hours primer. And this is brand new. They only had like 5 reviews on Sephora. So I will let you guys know.